What's up, BBs? We are here at the MGM Grand. We are in the Grand Tower in a 2-queen bedroom. Let's check the room out. So we're gonna start here in the bathroom. We got a nice big lit mirror. Just got one sink. Down here we have your washcloths, hand towels. You can see your hair dryer extra. We got your trash can, towels, toilet paper. Here's your toilet here. Here's your wall art in the bathroom. Here is our shower / tub. It's a smaller tub, so it's not good for like super big baths like Star may like, but it'll work for you if you need to take a bath. We'll move deeper into the living area. See our full body mirror here. Here's your closet. It has all your things in here, your hangers, your ironing board, your luggage rack. A little deeper into the actual living space. As I said before, we have a 2-queen bed this time. Got your wall art for the room. Get a little sneak peek of our view from here. This is our entertainment area. You have your TV, your ice bucket, the thing where you can plug in all your stuff, the little mini bar area. Again, if you touch any of that stuff, it's pressure sensitive, so that will charge you, so leave it alone. I couldn't even open this thing, but that's perfectly fine. Here you have a desk, a chair, nice lamp. And again, just starting here with our 2 chairs and our coffee table. This is our view. We are right above the main entrance, so you can see the taxis down there. You can see Mandalay Bay, Luxor, a little bit of the Tropicana sign down there. You see the mountains out there. You see the Steak and Shake and the Hooters down there. So we got a pretty decent view of the city here. So let us know what you think, BBs. Have you ever stayed at the MGM Grand before? Tell us about your experiences if you have. Bye, BBs.